Hello everyone and welcome to my channel English with Zainab. In today's video I'm going to talk about zero conditional. We will see what is zero conditional and when to use it. We use zero conditional for talking about general truth, habits and scientific facts. Within zero conditional we have if plus simple present plus simple present. In all conditional sentences, we have two clauses. We have an if clause and a result clause. So, the if clause is the event or the situation that must happen in order for the other thing or for the other event to happen. It means the result can only happen if the if clause happens. So let's see some examples. We have this scientist doing some experiment in her lab, and she is telling us that hydrogen plus oxygen equal water. She is telling us that if I mix hydrogen with oxygen, it turns into water. So as you see here, we have a scientific truth. And here we use a zero conditional. We have both verb, mix and turns are in the simple present, and we have two clauses. We have an if clause. If I mix hydrogen with oxygen, then we have a result clause. It turns into water. So I can have water if only I mix hydrogen with oxygen. It means the results can happen if only the if clause happens, and this is conditional simply. Let's move to another example. We have a picture of a sunrise, and we can say if the sun goes down, it gets dark, or when the sun goes down, it gets dark. So this is completely true. We know that when the sun goes down, everything gets dark. So we have two clauses here. We have an if clause, if the sun goes down, and we have the result clause, it gets dark. Another picture. We have this lady here working on her computer and staying home. So we can say, if you stay home, you protect yourself and the community from coronavirus. So this is simply an if statement where we have two clauses. If you stay home, this is an if clause. You protect yourself and the community from coronavirus. This is a result clause. It means if you stay home, you protect yourself. So this is the result, is that you protect yourself and the community from the virus. So please stay home in order to protect yourself from this virus and the community also. Let's move to another example. We can also use zero conditional to make rule. So as we have here in this picture, we have this teacher is telling her students to stop using mobile phones in the classroom. It means it's like a rule. And she said, if you are in class, don't use your phone. So here we have the use of the zero conditional. Another example, or the last example, is about this girl who is washing her hands. And of course, she is using this hand sanitizer. We can say, if you wash your hands properly and often, you protect yourself from coronavirus. So this is what doctors and experts are informing us on social media, and yes, so they are telling us that whenever we go outside, we have to wash our hands, and of course using a hand sanitizer. So this is completely true, and this is a fact. So simply we use zero conditional. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I hope you've get a clear idea of when and how to use the zero conditional. So if you have any question or confusions, just let me know about them in comment. And please, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel.